just found an all-in-one AI agent that can help you automate any task no matter what your role or position is. Because this tool does perfect data analysis, creates presentations, creates documents, and so much more. And by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what this tool is, how to use it, and a few crazy use cases you're gonna wanna use today. Because if you're still doing any of these things manually, this tool is gonna change your life. Now, that new tool that I'm talking about is Deep Agent by Abacus AI, because you literally just describe what you wanna get done and be a little detailed, and this tool runs off and does it. In addition to that, once it actually does whatever task you want it to do, guess what you could do? You could come over here to the bottom left-hand side, click on tasks, and then actually schedule out for this to continue to do that thing at whatever cadence you actually want. You could have it do it daily, weekly, monthly, doesn't matter. For example, I could come over here and type in something like this, create a 10-slide presentation of the key big tech companies from 2025, show photos, charts, and graphs to show key metrics for them. Then I'm just going to click right here, and then what this is going to do is ask me a few questions, and then it's going to do all the research. It is going to create all the photos, all the charts, all the graphs, gather everything that it needs in order to actually do this. So for number one, I'm going to say you choose. For number two, what key metrics? I'm going to say those sound great. The target audience for this, I am going to say students. So let's say that I was doing this for school or something along the lines of that. And then we click on, do you have any specific tone or style? I'm going to do educational. Now, of course, you don't just have to do this for school. You could do this for work. You could do this for reporting. It doesn't matter what the task is. You can get this to do whatever you want here. In addition to that, we could see for something like this is going to have to go off and actually do research in order to figure out what the top 10 are and then what actually matters from those top 10 and what it should display. You could also get this to automatically hook up to anything that you want. Let's say that you had something in your Google Drive that had all the information, or maybe you were running Facebook ads, or you wanted it to connect to your Shopify and pull down some data and then build a report or something off of that. This tool can do that, and it's beginner friendly. You literally just tell it what you want done and it runs off and actually does it. Okay, so now this is actually going through, it's doing all the research that it needs to do in order to actually build out this presentation. And this right here shows off one of my favorite things. We can see that we have one task running. That task is it doing research, but there are 15 different subtasks running. So instead of this searching for Apple, getting what it needs, and then searching for Microsoft, getting what it needs, it's actually doing all these different things at one time in order to do it way quicker, and then it's going to analyze all those results at the same time and then very quickly build out this presentation. Now that this is actually done doing this research, we can see that this built out this research report right here in which it actually organized all of this different data, all of the different things that they're all focused on, all these different companies. I mean, think about this. This is just for Apple right here, that it built out and actually researched all of this. And then we can see right here that now it's going through and doing another task, and it's actually building out this 10-slide presentation. Okay, so now that this is actually done, we could go through this, but first I wanted to show you that you could actually export this right here as a PDF, as a PowerPoint, or you could export it right into Google Slides. So here's what it actually looks like. We come over here and we can see that this looks great. It goes through, it creates different charts for all these different companies. It gives us all the different information that we wanted. And it does it in a way that doesn't actually make every single graph and every single chart and every single slide look exactly the same, which is awesome. And personally, one of my favorite things about this, because it actually splits things up and allows you to capture your audience's attention for this presentation as opposed to it just looking super generic. Now, I don't want you to think that this can only build PowerPoints, because this can also do incredibly complex data analysis. Check this out. For example, let's say that you needed to build out a discounted cash flow analysis. You could come over here and put in a prompt like this. Using this file, and then you'd upload the file, estimate the value of the company with a discounted cash flow analysis. I want you to first calculate how much cash each business segment has, the company as a whole. Then I want you to actually go through and figure out things like the growth rate, discount rate, research, or estimate them from benchmarks, because the file isn't going to contain that stuff. And then this goes off and actually does this. So again, we're going to upload this. This then is going to ask us a few questions. We simply answer them very quickly, and then this goes off and actually does this. This builds out Python in order to actually complete this, and then we can see what this analysis actually looks like when it's done. We could see that this made charts, this made graphs, this did all of this, and guess what we could do? We can actually come in here and look at the Excel document that was created, and I want you to look at this. There are a bunch of different tabs here. There's an executive summary, scenario comparison, segment analysis, consolidated projects, DCF calculations, there's sensitivity analysis, and so much more. And look at this. This literally went through and created all of this. It did the spreadsheets. It did all the analysis. It created the charts, the graphs, the tables, everything that you would have needed in order to complete this. This probably would have taken you like a week, 2 weeks, maybe even 3 weeks to complete all of this, but this tool can do it on its own because it knows how to build out spreadsheets. It knows how to build out tables. It knows how to do research. It basically copies anything that a human would do in order to get this done and can do it, and then you just check it, double check it, and you could even have it run another analysis if you want to change some of the assumptions that it used. Like I was sharing before, the value with this tool doesn't stop there because you can also use it to build websites, to build apps, and so much more. But before we dive into that, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Deep Agent today for only $10 a month. In addition to getting access to Deep Agent, you're also going to get access to Chat LLM, which lets you access all of the best LLMs from one single dashboard. So instead of you needing a bunch of different subscriptions in order to access your favorite AI tools and use this for the best use cases, you could just have one, which is why I'd strongly suggest you go to the pinned comment below and sign up for Deep Agent today. For example, let's say that we wanted to build a website. We could just come over here and ask it, build a modern, visually engaging website for an in-person workshop about building AI agents. You give it the overall goal, you could give it any style recommendations that you have, and then this will go off and actually build this for you. And again, I want to remind you, this is all the same tool that's doing all these different tasks. So per usual, this is going to ask us a few questions. We simply answer them, and then this goes off and this builds this out. And I want you to think about how complex this is based on these right here. This is going to be able to collect people's contact information. They're going to be able to register, and it should actually save their registration. So this is building out a database. This is going to be able to collect and show testimonials. It's going to have a Stripe integration and everything else that you could think of. And just like that, this goes through and this begins to actually build this out, generates images, and once this is actually done, we could see that this website is fully set up. It looks great. You could buy things on it. It has all the details. It has reviews. It has an FAQ, and this was all built out by AI in just a few minutes. And then again, as we can see right here, this is fully functional. You could go through, you could pay with this. Stripe is set up, and again, we've got forms in here. We got a database. We got Stripe payments. And Deep Agent actually coordinated the entire thing. And all we had to do was give it a good prompt, answer a few questions, and this goes off and do this while we're doing other things. While this was doing this, I could have been going through my email. I could have been walking the dog. I could have been going and getting another coffee. Anything like that, and this tool does my work for me, and that is the power of using an all-in-one AI tool like this. Now for my last and favorite use case, I wanted to show you how this tool does deep research way better than just a regular LLM like Gemini or ChatGPT. For example, let's say that you wanted to do deep research around a new idea that you had. Maybe you wanted to build a fitness and nutrition app, so you come over here and say, do an in-depth research about market growth and future opportunities in the fitness and nutrition industry globally. Please use bullets, tables, and charts to make the report more clear. Now, if you were to just go ask ChatGPT or Gemini to do this, they might be able to return some information, but I guarantee you they're not going to put tables, they're not going to put charts, and they're not going to follow your instructions as well as Deep Agent does here. Okay, so we have this go through. Again, we answer a few questions. This goes off, it does all of the research, and then it is going to build us out a presentation that is awesome. In addition to that, it cites all of its different sources. It's building out all these different images here, like we asked, and then we could see the PDF that this actually went through and created. And again, this reads like a research paper. In fact, you could use this for research for work. You could use this for research for school. And again, the crazy part about this is, as I showed you, you can now get this to go through and analyze all the data from this report. you could go through and have this build out a presentation. You could even have this build out a dashboard in a website or an app or something like that, because this all-in-one AI agent can do any task that you want. I mean, look at this. How long do you think it would have taken you to go through and make a report that's 50 pages long with all these graphs, with all of these different sightings and all of this? This would have personally taken me probably a month to do. It would have came out nowhere near as good as this, and I would have got bored and I would have said, you know what? I don't think I'm going to explore this. But now with AI, it makes this incredibly easy to do, which is just crazy to me. If you enjoyed this video, I strongly suggest you check out this video right here that shows you how I cloned a $50 million AI app in less than 15 minutes. Sounds interesting? Check it out right here.